Across the last 2 days, we have seen the same thing that OSCE is reporting. We have seen columns of Russian equipment, primarily Russian tanks, Russian artillery, Russian air defense systems, and Russian combat troops entering into Ukraine. We do not have a good picture at this time of how many. Our first guess that these forces will go in to make this a more contiguous, a more whole and capable pocket of land in order to then hold on to it long term. What worries me the most, I have said before, is that we have a situation now where the former international border, the current international border of Ukraine and Russia is completely porous. It is completely wide open. Forces, money, support, supplies, weapons are flowing back and forth across this border completely at will. And that is not a good situation. We need to get back to a situation where this international border is respected, and that will help us to contain the problem of resupply into eastern Ukraine.